number 10, Demagnetizer. Starting off our list, we have the Demagnetizer tool. Now this might seem like a simple tool, but it's incredibly useful if you work with screwdrivers, drill bits, or small metal parts. Over time, tools can become magnetized, which causes metal shavings or screws to stick to them when you don't want them to. This tool lets you quickly demagnetize or magnetize your tools in seconds. That means if you're installing screws, you can magnetize the tip for better control, or demagnetize it when precision matters. It's small, simple, and surprisingly handy for anyone who works with tools regularly. Number 9, Cordless Rivet Gun for Dewalt 20V. At number 9, we have the Cordless Rivet Gun designed for Dewalt 20-volt batteries. If you've ever installed rivets manually, you know it can get tiring really fast. This tool takes all that effort out of the process. It attaches to your Dewalt 20V battery system, turning rivet installation into a fast-powered process. It's great for projects involving metal fabrication, automotive work, HVAC installs. Instead of squeezing a manual rivet tool over and over again, this tool handles the pulling force automatically, saving both time and effort. Number 8, Klein Tool Circuit Breaker Finder. Coming in at number 8 is the Klein Tools AC Circuit Breaker Finder. If you've ever tried to figure out which breaker controls a specific outlet, you know how frustrating it can be. This tool eliminates the guesswork. You plug the transmitter into an outlet, then use the receiver at your breaker panel to quickly identify the correct breaker. This makes electrical work much safer and much faster. Klein Tools is known for producing high-quality electrician tools, and this device is a perfect example. For anyone doing electrical troubleshooting or home renovation work, it's a huge time saver. Number 7, Bosch Blaze Laser Measure. Next up is the Bosch Blaze Laser Distance Measure. This tool replaces the traditional tape measure for many jobs. With the press of a button, it can measure distances up to 100 feet with impressive accuracy. Features include digital display, multiple measurement modes, quick area and volume calculations. This makes it incredibly useful for construction, remodeling, interior design, layout work. Instead of stretching a tape measure across a room, you can measure instantly with a laser. It's one of those tools that once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Quick question for you. Which of these tools would you actually use the most? Let me know down in the comments, and if you're enjoying this list so far, don't forget to like the video. It really helps the channel. Alright, let's keep going. Number 6, ES Welder Adjustable Angle Welding Magnet. At number 6, we have the ES Welder Adjustable Angle Welding Magnet. This tool is incredibly helpful for holding metal pieces in place while welding. Instead of trying to balance materials or clamp them awkwardly, this magnet lets you lock metal into precise angles. You can easily set angles like 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees. This helps ensure cleaner welds and better alignment. It's especially useful for fabrication projects, frame building, steel structures. For welders, this kind of tool can make setups faster and far more accurate. Number 5, a SEDY Helicoil Thread Repair Kit. At number 5, we have the SEDY Helicoil Thread Repair Tool Kit. If you've ever stripped threads in metal, you know it can completely ruin a part. But this kit lets you repair damaged threads and restore them to their original size. It works by installing a thread insert that recreates the original threading. This is incredibly useful for repairing engine parts, aluminum components, machinery threads. Instead of replacing expensive parts, this tool lets you fix the problem quickly and cheaply. Number 4, Cobalt Step Drill Set. At number 4 is the Cobalt Step Drill Bit Set. These drill bits are designed for drilling clean holes through metal, plastic, and other materials. Unlike standard bits, step drills allow you to create multiple hole sizes with a single bit. And because they're made from M35 cobalt steel, they're designed to handle tougher materials. That makes them perfect for sheet metal work, electrical installations, fabrication projects. They also produce very clean round holes, which is why many professionals prefer them. Number 3, WISEUP Snap Ring Pliers Set. At number 3, we have the WISEUP 12-piece snap ring plier set. Snap rings are used in many mechanical systems like automotive assemblies, bearings, gear mechanisms. But installing or removing them without the right tools can be extremely frustrating. This kit gives you multiple pliers designed specifically for internal and external snap rings. The different tips allow you to work with various ring sizes and positions. For anyone who works on mechanical repairs, this set can make a huge difference. Number 2, Dowel Jig Kit with quick positive stop. At number 2, we have the Dowel Jig Kit with quick positive stop. This tool is perfect for woodworkers who want strong, precise joints. It helps you drill perfectly aligned holes for dowels, which are used to connect pieces of wood together. Dowel joints are known for being strong, clean, hidden. This jig makes the process much easier and more accurate, even for beginners. It's a great tool for furniture building and woodworking projects. Number 1. Dewalt 20V MAX Cordless Drill. Taking the number 1 spot is the Dewalt 20V MAX Cordless Drill. This is one of the most popular cordless drills on the market, and for good reason. It delivers a great balance of power, battery life, portability. The compact design makes it easy to use in tight spaces, while the 20-volt battery system provides plenty of torque for tough jobs. It's perfect for everything from home repairs, furniture assembly, construction work. And because it's part of the Dewalt 20V ecosystem, the battery works with a wide range of other Dewalt tools. For many professionals and DIYers, this drill is a go-to everyday tool. And that wraps up our list of 10 amazing tools you can buy on Amazon. From precision measuring tools and welding accessories to repair kits and power tools, these are all tools that can make your projects easier and more efficient. If you're interested in checking out any of these tools, all the links are in the description below. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves tools as much as you do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.